Our hotel. One with the maroon top. Right there. Called the Shores of Panama. Panama City Beach, Florida. Ride around a boat. I'm on the bow of the boat, hanging on for dear sweet life. See my feet, dipping them in the water. See? Every once in a while I get a dip. We might get a dip here. Here we go. Maybe. We're just cruising along. Oh, there they go! Yeah! Enjoying our day. We got some fishing lures hanging off the back. We're what they call trolling. Let you take a peek at that man back there. Say hi, Bradley! See, we got some fishing reels that side, fishing off of that side. And waiting to hear one go screaming. Fish that we were hoping to catch would be king mackerel, mahi-mahi, sailfish, or anything like that. Or anything that wants to bite it. That too. Out in the big, wide, open ocean. There's a big old ship back there somewhere. There he is. Ooh. Toodaloo for now.